Hi everyone, welcome back to the Baylor Tutoring Department's Computer Science Tutoring videos. In this video, we will give a short and simple introduction to classes and objects in C++. You may have heard at some point that C++ is an object-oriented programming language. In this video, we will learn what that is all about. First, we'll learn what an object is. In an object-oriented language like C++, objects are the building blocks for programs. The easiest way to characterize an object is by thinking of a noun. For example, a person. Maybe we have a program that manages a database of person objects. Each person may have many characteristics, but for the sake of simplicity, let's imagine a program that just cares about a person's age, name, and social security number. Maybe this program manages a government database that identifies citizens by social security number. Anyways, objects have attributes such as age, name, etc., in this case, and objects have actions. In this case, a person can walk, run, or sleep. Sometimes actions an object takes affects the object's attributes. Classes are the custom programmer-defined data types that allow us to make these complex objects in our programs. For the person object, I've made a simple class called person, which has three public attributes, those being age, name, and SSN. Each of these attributes is essentially a variable that is tied to the person object. The person's name, for example, is a string attribute of the person class. What is the public keyword? This is called an access modifier. By indicating public here, a person's attributes are accessible and modifiable with no restrictions to outside classes and functions. We'll talk more about access modifiers in the future. Remember, objects can also perform actions. Each of these actions may have an effect on the object or on something else in the program. These actions are called methods, which are basically just functions that exist as members of an object. In this example, I have no methods written for this class. However, in the next example, I'll show that off. So in this slightly less simple example, I have a person with the same attributes, but now with one method. This method mimics celebrating the person's birthday, which also has the effect of incrementing the person's age. If we call this method on the person, then print their age afterwards, we would find it to be 1 greater than before calling the method. So that's it for our very short introduction to classes and objects. We learned what they are, why they're useful, and just a tiny bit about how to use them. Next time, we'll have a larger example in a C++ program, and I'll also introduce the concept of constructors. So stay tuned. I hope you found this video really helpful. The concepts and information presented in these videos will be true no matter which computer science course you are taking. However, the concepts presented in this video are referencing material currently covered in Baylor University's coursework. Remember, if you are a currently enrolled Baylor student, we offer free tutoring services. Our Tutoring Center is located on the first floor of the Sid Richardson building. You'll find all the details you need about these services on our website, www.baylor.edu/tutoring. You may schedule a free 30-minute one-on-one tutoring session online or just drop in during any of our business hours. For more information about our current services, please visit our website. Thanks.